I'm going to replace the Freewheel with one that has a wider range from 11 to 32 teeth. The original one is only 14 to 28. So after removing the wheel, you want to put the Shimano Freewheel removal tool. This is this one, FR 1.3. It goes into the grooves, and here one can secure it temporarily, just hand tighten, and use a wrench to remove it. I've already loosened it. It took a little bit of strength. It's counterclockwise, normal threads, so it wasn't difficult to loosen up. It was it's a fairly new bicycle, so the removal is easy. So this is the Freewheel. Now, before putting the new one on, just for a test fit, what you want to do is grease the threads generously and possibly use some anti-seize compound or paste so that it would be easy to remove next time you need to do work on this. I'm using synthetic caliper grease. I don't know if that's the best thing to use here, but it has worked pretty well for other projects, and it's durable, it's thick, it's temperature resistant, even though I don't think the Freewheel gets any hot. And that's it. Just want to clean any extra grease from around the Freewheel so that it doesn't attract dust and create gunk. In hindsight, probably better to grease the Freewheel itself instead of the hub here. But anyway, here it is. Hand tighten. It will self-tighten when you start pedaling, but I guess it doesn't hurt to give it just a little bit of a nudge. And that's it. New Freewheel is installed. This is the model for the Freewheel. It's 11 teeth Freewheel, 7-speed, nickel plated. The brand is DNP, and I guess the model number is this one, LY1107HF, and this is the tooth count. Goes from 11 to 32.